Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Jamal Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today's Tuesday 9 November 2021, now morning time. This Tuesday morning I visiting a natural place and tea garden. You can see behind my back very beautiful natural place, tea garden, all in all beautiful place. Actually this nature and tea garden of another village, অন্য গ্রামের প্রকৃতি এবং গাছবাগান। Friends, this Tuesday morning I visiting this natural place tea garden of another village, and I saw here is some polluted garbage, so now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. Friends, you know I always try to save our nature, our environment. I think nature is wealth of our world. I like green nature, so I always try to save our nature and green nature. Friends, this Tuesday morning I visiting this place and I saw here is some polluted garbage, so now I collected that garbage and that garbage in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার সকালে আমি অন্য গ্রামের প্রকৃতির মাঝে গাছবাগানের মাঝে এসেছি। এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this beautiful natural place, tea garden, really beautiful place. Friends, I like this place. Now I all get here and try to collect polluted garbage. Let's go friend. Friends, I saw some polluted plastic here, so now I collected this plastic. Old cloth মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে, stuck in soil. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, this place is really beautiful. Plastic, I collect this plastic. Friends, this plastic, another plastic, this plastic really bad for our nature and our environment. Another old cloth, গুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here. Big plastic here. Friends, here big plastic, polluted garbage, polluted plastic, many plastic here. Friends, this plastic really bad for our nature, our environment, our green nature, so I always try to collect polluted plastic from nature. You can see really beautiful place, beautiful green nature area. Beautiful green nature place. Friends, I saw another plastic here. Another plastic, old cloth, আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I collect many plastic here, from here, big plastic, small plastic. Another old cloth here. Friends, I collected many plastic, old cloth from this nature tea garden, from this natural place. এখান থেকে আমি পলিথিনগুলো প্লাস্টিকগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি। This polluted plastic. Friends, and a bag in my hand, all garbage, all plastic in this bag. Let's go. Big plastic আমি ব্যাগে ভরতেছি এগুলো। ওল্ড ক্লথ, friends, complete all plastic in this bag. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this garbage bag. I collected many plastic from natural place, village natural place. Now this bag in the dustbin. Let's go, friend. Friends, this our city's municipality's big threshold. This garbage bag in this threshold dustbin.